First of all, congratulations to the RCB team for winning their second back-to-back titles, as they deserve to win their second trophy, as they have purely dominated this season too, as they deserve to win this trophy of IPL 2026. So now come to the CSK, as this season was really tough for CSK and for CSK fans too, as CSK supporters really support this team in this tough season too, as I feel very proud as a CSK fan, because last time when we got banned for 2 years, we come back louder in 2018 season and we won the trophy. Same thing, I feel that next season we will come back stronger. We will come back stronger next season. My last message to the Chennai in Tamil. Perimiyula, CSK Rasigan, Vazunal Mazvatham Yallavi, Vazunal Mazvatham Thala.